Best 3D Printing Pen. Number 1. 3Doodler 3D Printing Pen. The 3Doodler Create is a pro 3D pen that can help you fix models you've already printed and create new objects from scratch. It's comfortable, consistent, and supports a wide range of affordable filaments. The world is your canvas. Discover a new way to create art, design and personalize objects. This versatile tool can help you design solutions for everyday problems. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Mint 3D Printing Pen. A light and well-balanced professional-grade pen, the Mint 3D Printing Pen Pro gives you full control over extrusion and lots of useful indicators. At $59 it also meets most people's budget. It comes fully kitted out with a plastic drawing pad, the tougher ABS filament, and an AC adapter. It supports a respectable 32 colors. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Crayopop 3D Printing Pen. Often described as 3D gel pens, Crayopops provide a much wider range of filament or inks for solid ink printing. This includes everything from glow-in-the-dark colors to options that give off an aromatic smell. It's also suitable for kids because it doesn't have any hot parts or thermal printing, using LED light to solidify its material instead. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Mint 3D Junior 2 3D Printing Pen. A traditional FDM-style filament pen that melts at a lower temperature, the bright orange Junior is much safer for kids. The pen printer price is also just $39, making it a great gift for any creative child. The Mint 3D pen comes with 3 rolls of filament in the pack. 3D pen designed specifically for kids, with easy-to-grasp ergonomic design and low-temperature nozzle that won't burn young hands. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. 3Doodler 3D Printing Pen. A cheaper starter pen for kids, the 3Doodler Start still performs like a pro with accurate and well-paced extrusion. It's designed in such a way that there are no hot parts to touch. You don't have to be restricted by a cable since it can be charged by USB and used for 45 minutes. Designed with no hot parts, completely safe for kids aged 6+. Pen nozzle and plastic can be touched with no burn risks. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.